For GC-2030 maintenance, no tools are required when ClickTech connectors are used. However, tweezers will come in handy to remove and replace consumables. You will also need a replacement septum and a liner with O-ring. Before you do any maintenance, you must first cool down the GC inlet and release pressure from the injection port. From the control panel, press Maintenance and then click Start. The inlet will cool down and pressure will be released. Wait for the inlet to be ready. First, remove the auto sampler and set it aside. Then, open the top panel. Unscrew the septum retaining nut on top of the injection port. Remove the old septum. Place the new septum on the injector head and gently press into place. Secure the septum in place with the retaining nut. Finger tighten, then loosen 1/4 turn. Before you replace the liner, it is very important to disconnect the capillary column. Open the front panel to access the column. Then, simply rotate the ClickTech connector counterclockwise 1/4 turn to disconnect the column. Now release the latch on the ClickTech connector on the injector. Using the tweezers, carefully remove the liner. You may need to loosen the O-ring. Slide the new O-ring onto the replacement liner and position it near the top. Rest the liner into the injector and gently press down until it's in place. Now reattach the injector cover. Align the tab on the cover with a slot on the base and ensure flat placement. Snap the latch closed. Close the top panel and replace the auto sampler. Then reconnect the capillary column. To reset the inlet temperature and flow, go to Injector Maintenance on the main control screen and press End. Then you can reset the timers for the septum and the liner. For more information about the Shimadzu Nexus GC-2030, visit us at www.ssi.shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.